Hey there, in this quick video I'm going to share with you how you can reset the Shokz OpenRun. So it's super simple. Now first you want to turn them on and you want to let them be in a pairing mode. So to turn them on you're going to have this button right here, the plus. So we're going to press and hold it. Press and hold it for a few seconds and then it's going to start blinking like this. And what you want to do is that you want to press this the multi-point button that you can have on the left one. And you want to press it with the plus and minus at the same time. So I'm going to press and hold this button and then these two buttons together. And look what will happen. So press and hold it. And it's going to do like bzz, bzz. And that means that you successfully reset your OpenRun. And this is how we're going to do it. It's pretty simple. So thank you very much for watching and hope you're having a great day. And goodbye.